Welcome to Car Bike Review, your go-to place for exploring the latest and most interesting vehicles from around the world. Today, we're taking a look at the new 2026 Bajaj Qute, a compact quadricycle designed to offer an affordable, fuel-efficient, and practical mobility solution for urban commuters. Design and styling. The 2026 Bajaj Qute maintains its small and functional design, making it perfect for crowded city streets. Its compact body allows easy maneuverability and effortless parking in tight spaces. The updated model features refreshed styling with improved headlights, a modern front fascia, and cleaner body lines that give it a more contemporary and appealing look. Engine and performance. The new Bajaj Qute is powered by a small yet efficient engine designed for urban travel. It typically features a 216 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that delivers reliable performance for daily commuting. The lightweight body helps maximize fuel efficiency while maintaining smooth and stable handling. The Qute focuses more on practicality and economy rather than speed, making it ideal for short-distance travel. Interior and comfort. Inside, the 2026 Qute offers a simple but functional cabin layout. It provides seating for 4 passengers, making it a practical alternative to motorcycles and rickshaws. The updated model includes improved seat cushioning, better ventilation, and a basic yet user-friendly dashboard. The cabin is designed to deliver essential comfort while keeping costs low and maintenance simple. Safety and features. Bajaj has worked on improving safety in the 2026 model. The Qute includes a stronger body structure, seat belts for passengers, and improved braking performance. While it remains a budget-friendly vehicle, it offers better protection compared to traditional 2- and 3-wheelers. Basic features like storage compartments and simple instrument displays add to everyday convenience. Fuel efficiency and practicality. One of the biggest highlights of the Bajaj